front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply app layout on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store to download free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio Developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, you don't have to open it just yet. You can apply it instantly by going into Devices Settings, scrolling to click on this section here called App Management, and then hitting Default Apps. Now you need to click on Home App and tap on Launcher Pro to apply it. Make sure to hit Allow All in the pop-up and then wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to make any changes, go into Launcher Pro app and adjust all of them however you want to. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, you need to enter the same settings as before. So Devices Settings, App Management, Default Apps and Home App, and click on your default launcher to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!